Glam Fam, welcome back to my channel. You're probably wondering why am I in my swimmers. I'm actually about to head off to swimming, but I've been wanting to do this for a while but haven't got around to doing it. But I've woken up extra early before swimming and doing a video testing out the Aquaproof waterproof and splash proof eyeshadow palette. I picked it up at Priceline for $29.95 and I thought it was really weird because it's splash proof cream eyeshadow palette and I've never seen anything like this before. Packaging's got like splashes all over it. It had a lot of other stuff in the range too. They had like a whole range. It was the Aquaproof range and they had Aquaproof nail polish, which made me wonder, isn't like all nail polish Aquaproof? I don't know, but so it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's got 10 eyeshadows in it. And they're all cream eyeshadows. So, and it comes with a brush as well. Make a splash with the model's own Aquaproof eyeshadow palette. These highly pigmented cream shadows create a luminous finish with a staying power. With natural bronze, smoky and bright azure tones, this palette has your summer look covered. It says apply with the cream shadow brush to create a bold and buildable coverage. Apply with fingertips for a more sheer and natural look. Okay, that's interesting. So I will actually be using the brush. I'm gonna open it up now. It hasn't been opened before. And look at the packaging. So I saw the tester. As you can see, all of this is 3D. It looks like it has wet splashes on it. So it's like, those are like, I don't know, done with plastic or something. So it looks like it has actual water splashes on it, which is awesome. I saw that and I was like, that's really cool, especially for a drugstore brand to have really cool packaging like that. So it's pretty compact, it's plastic, but I really do like that whole wet look of it. I'm gonna open it up. Oh, look at it, it's really nice. It's got a really good mirror in it. It's, I don't know about the shade range. The shade range is pretty random. This will be interesting. So they're a bit random, but they're all, as you can see, like cream. Okay, so just swatching one of them. They are pretty pigmented, hey? It actually came with this little brush, which is really cute. It's got a fluffy side, and then it's also got like a kind of a flat shader side. I'm gonna just do my foundation and my base, and then I'll come back and do eyeshadow. Okay, so I haven't primed my face or anything. I don't have a waterproof primer. I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Hangover primer, which is my all-time favie. With every eyeshadow that I try out, I always use my MAC paint pot in soft ochre to prime. This is my Morphe M705 brush and my eyelids. It's easier to just put it on with your fingers so you can spread it around quickly. So my eyelids are now primed. I'm now going to do the rest of my face. I have a waterproof foundation, that is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1. I thought this was just like long wearing full coverage, but it actually says on the back, it is medium to full coverage, oil-free formula, long wearing, water resistant and sweat proof. So I haven't actually used this in a while, but it is waterproof. My beauty blender here, I'm gonna just do the use where I pump it onto the back of my hand. As you can see, it's extremely thick. Like there's no running or anything. It's very, very thick. I'll be in the pool for about half an hour to an hour, and I will fully submerge my face just so I can see if these work. I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Super Stay Pressed Powder. I actually do have a waterproof bronzer, Tarte bronzer in the shade Hotel Hotel Heiress. Really nice shade. I don't usually use it. Take like my Smashbox and bronzing brush and dip in and like bronze up the face. This is a Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush. This is in this nice little shade. This is in the shade Thrilled. Move on to the eyes, which is the main part of the show. This is a waterproof eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go in and take the shade June to set like that eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna take it on this flat brush. Oh, that's actually really pigmented. Into Apostle. I don't know how this look might come off, so we'll just see. It is a pretty dark transition shade, but it's performing pretty well. And this brush is really good. I'm like impressed by it, blending it out really nicely. I might also go in with Caprice, this shade here. The shade Clifton is like screaming my name, so I really want to, it's like a nice shimmery shade, so I'm going to go in with that and add it to like the center. The rest of the video is going to be a little bit rushed because I actually need to head off to swimming very soon, and I'm going to take that fluffy end of the brush and kind of blend it in. It is looking a little bit funky, like it's moving around. They're not staying where I want them to stay, so it's all kind of looks like one color. So I'm going to take the shade Gold Coast, which is this nice gold shade here, and I'm actually going to take it on a different brush, this Morphe brush. I'm going with this bright shade called Brighten, which is a pink shade. It's quite bright. I'm going to probably take the shade Santee, just because I want to try out as many shades as possible. This is like this shimmery blue. I'm gonna add that shade. I'm going to add Krabi, this nice like turquoise shade underneath. So I'm going to go in with a waterproof mascara, and that is the Collossal Volum Express by Maybelline New York. This is in the this is waterproof. It's a brand new one. It is like the Colossal Big Shot, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna just apply that to my lashes. Take this Tarte shade Festival, and this stays on quite well, so I'm gonna apply that. I'm gonna set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter, and this is the final look. It is very different to what I usually do, very bright and colourful, but yeah, so we're gonna go to swimming now and test out and see if these eyeshadows stay on. Same with the blush, the foundation and the bronzer. I will be right back and I will check up with you guys after swimming, after I've been in the pool. Okay, see you. Okay, so we've just gotten out of the pool, as you can see there, and the eyeshadow is still on and the mascara as well. You can still see the blush and the bronzer is. It's a little bit patchy, but the eyeshadow is still on. And yeah, so I just did the wear test for the waterproof makeup, and it's actually still looking pretty good. Okay, so it's now 12:41 and this is what the makeup looks like after I've been in water. Honestly, it's not completely waterproof by any means. The mascara is. Foundation is a bit patchy. I mean, the blush you can still see. The bronzer is like a bit patchy as well. The eyeshadow is very like different to what it was when before I went in the pool. It's like, as you can see, it's coming off, so it's not completely waterproof. And it's kind of all lost all color. So it used to be like purple and blue underneath, pink, purple, blue. Now it's all just kind of faded. I mean, it's still, you can still kind of see it, but it's not completely waterproof. So it's been about 3 hours since I applied it. I applied it about 9:30. It's now about 12:30 and I'm gonna go home. Mascara is good. Foundation is too patchy, so it's not completely waterproof either. But at least the mascara stayed on, so I know I will be using that again. I am now heading home and I'm going to call it a day. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that thumbs up button, and see you later.